Hello everyone, I will demonstrate how to install STM32CubeIDE core chip package. First, we need to enter this website to download the corresponding software package. After the download is completed, we will get a compressed package and extract it. After extract is completed, we can create a new STM32 folder. This folder can be used for software package installation, and can also be used as a workspace for subsequent project openings. Choose to run the software installation package as an administrator. Choose default installation path. Click to install. Click Next. Create desktop icon. Finish. After the software installation is complete, an icon will be displayed on the desktop. We can double-click icon to open the software. When opening the software for the first time, you need to select a workspace. Select the STM32 folder we created. Start up software. When you start the application for the first time, it will be prompted some information about network settings and STM32CubeIDE software. Close it. First, we need to log in to the ST account first. If you don't have an account, you can register on the right side of the page. Because I have already registered, I can log in directly. After successful login, you can download the chip package. The chip on Yahboom development board is STM32F103ZET6. The chip on our development board is STM32F103ZET6. Choose it. Click to install. Close the page after the chip package is successfully installed. Close it.